What is up, folks? It's Andrew with mywatchaddiction.com, and today we have a watch unboxing from my October 2018 Watchgang Platinum subscription. Now, if you guys have watched my videos over the past couple of months, I've kind of slowed down on the Watchgang subscription boxes, primarily because I have a lot of watches sitting here waiting to be reviewed, and quite honestly, I haven't really been hugely in love with a whole lot of the watches that I've gotten in recent months. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna take a little bit of a break and catch up on some of my past watches. But this month, not quite sure. I was just like, quite honestly, I don't remember if I just forgot to postpone my subscription again this month or what, but we have a platinum subscription that showed up. So again, this is a Watchgang Platinum subscription unboxing for October 2018. Now, the watch of the day is a previous platinum subscription watch. It's that white Smith & Bradley with that bead blasted finish. Really don't mind this watch. It's just a little bit plain for what I like. The bezel is kind of muted a little bit, that bead blasted finish. There's just nothing that really pops about this watch for me. It's a nice watch, decent watch. I don't have any major complaints about it. It's just all purely aesthetics for me. Anyway, guys, if you want to see my unboxings or any of my videos in the future, don't forget you can subscribe to us down in the right-hand corner of the screen by smashing that subscribe button. If you actually want to get notified, though, guys, go ahead and smash that bell button right next to, right down below there, give or take. Anyway, guys, let's tear into this October 2018 Watchgang Platinum subscription. Now, if you're not familiar with Watchgang is a monthly subscription service, and their Platinum tier, which this watch is $299 a month for a mystery watch shipped to your door. So let's go ahead and tear this guy open. Incidentally, this Watchgang Platinum subscription came from Glendale, California. Glendale, California. Let's see. Also, if anybody's seen my unboxings before, my preferences have not changed. I still prefer non-gold, stainless steel, and a metal bracelet. So if we open this guy up, it is Watchgang's 2-year anniversary. So here's their poster that they send out with everything. Basically, I believe this is a timeline of their milestones for the company. Open it up, and there is the celebrating 2 years with Watchgang. I'll get rid of that. Do have packing in here, which is nice to see. More packing, get rid of the box. We don't need that. And it looks like we have a Nautis. Now, I have received a Nautis before. Let's see what this one looks like. And this will be my last Watchgang Platinum subscription watch. So this is the exact opposite of all of my preferences. So guys, let me get this out of the package and take a look around at it and see what more I can find out. All right, let's zoom in and take a closer look at this Watchgang Platinum subscription watch. Incidentally, this is the Nautis Bronze-Matic model NBR 20030-T-3. Can tell I'm not that all that excited about it. I'm really not feeling this watch at all. I'm not a huge fan of bronze. Does seem like a decent size. I'm not horribly disappointed in the size at all. That's about a 41 millimeter bronze case on this guy. Does have applied indices at the hour markers as well as the 5-minute markers. See the date displayed there at the 3 o'clock position. This is an automatic watch. It's operated by a modified Seiko NH35 movement. Now, the MSRP on this watch is $675 from nautiswatchco.com. If you want one of these watches, definitely, I would not recommend spending $675 on it whatsoever. Jump over to eBay. Currently, there's 4 or 5 of these Bronze-Matic watches from Nautis Watch Company on eBay. They range anywhere in price from $100 at a current bid all the way up to $400. But the $400 one also has the buy it now option, so I almost guarantee if you offered that person less, they would accept less. I know I would anyway. Leather strap seems decent on it. It does have, looks like a 22 millimeter with leather strap. It doesn't feel cheap or chalky. I mean, it's a decent strap. Don't have any complaints about that. If we flip it over, this is a pressed case back. Just very plain, not a whole lot to it. You can see there's absolutely nothing on that. So I suppose if you wanted to, you could have that engraved for somebody in case you wanted to give this watch to them. It does have a unidirectional rotating bezel. Bezel doesn't seem to be all that bad. Not really sure what more I can say about this watch. That Seiko NH35 does have a 40-hour or 41-hour power reserve on it. The lume on this watch is Swiss Super Lume, so we will definitely take a look at this in some low light. This watch is made in Germany, does sport actual bronze buckle. Looks like a machined bronze buckle almost. All right, guys, so that was the Nautis Bronze-Matic, a watch that I received in for my Watchgang Platinum subscription for October 2018. Quite honestly, not a fan of this watch, not a fan of the color combinations on this watch, although it is a sharp looking watch. You guys know me well enough by now to know that I hate bronze, I hate gold tones in any way, shape, or form. This watch is not on a metal bracelet, came with a leather strap, so this is 1000% against my preferences, which I recognize it's a monthly subscription service, so it happens, but I'm not happy with it. So if anybody wants this watch, definitely reach out to me at the channel at info@mywatchaddiction.com, or you can hit me up on Instagram at instagram/watchaddiction.us. Anyway, guys, I am gonna get out of here. Not a whole lot more to say about this Nautis Bronze-Matic with that Seiko NH35 movement in it. Just not a fan of this watch. I definitely would not spend the $675 MSRP cost of this watch. So anyway, guys, I'm out of here. If you're interested in this watch, reach out to me. I'll make you a deal. Other than that, we will see you guys soon. Thank you and have a great week.